On the 28th of September 2024, nurses who recently took an examination conducted by the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board held a press conference to voice their concerns over irregularities in the result declaration process. Speaking at the Shillong Press Club today, one of the candidates, Loshai Nongspung, revealed that during discussions with Meghalaya Health Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lyngdoh on the 17th and 24th of July 2024, the minister had assured them that the examination results would be declared within 72 hours with a full list of names, roll numbers and marks for transparency. However, these promises were not fulfilled. Nongspung pointed out discrepancies such as one candidate's name appearing twice on the result list and missing categories and names, causing frustration for candidates not featured. The group has issued a 3-day ultimatum to the Health Department demanding that results for all candidates, pass or fail, be transparently declared.
Meghalaya to the Department of Health and Meghalaya Family Welfare Jonka Meghalaya Menaman step of portal Jonka. Sekali ka jimpen mi ya ka result ka long ka ba pen snowsi yangi unki nurse jonka steer. Namalman hakani ha ka por ba kile ya ka contractual exam kipen mi ya ka ni ka you kipen mi ya ka result lengkap ba ka kerteng ba ki roll number bat ki marks ba ki secure. Kat ba mentapat jongka permanent kipen mi ha ka tu kalukom ka pendiaw yangi ki nurses kumba nila ya keren ha ka khatnyau tarik jong panai ba nyau bat ha ka apusau tarik jong panai ba nyau ba I health minister jongi I Dr. Mrs. Ampreen te nila ya keren hang tu ha ka jing ya keren jongi ila keren shai ba ka jingmi jongka result kan long within 72 hours kat ba niyo iba nadu mansni Saturday bangile exam kata ka alkuway tarik jong panai ba khandai arhajar pusang yele ka exam kat ba ka result kami menaman step kata ru ka result ka bam pensung bahaya ni kumkin nurses jong ka state ta kani ka jing le jong ka government I kumba ka don ai shalandet ka jing penslam ka jong ki ya ka result naka 72 hours to 144 hours kumta kala janlong but kajing bompen pau kajong ki roll number baro kitu ki balik attend but ki ba absent kinu ki ba absent ngimtip kinu ki ba attend ngimtip kinu ki ba pass ngimtip kinu ki ba fail ngimtip katnu ka cut off marks ngimtip and plus nangta ki roll number ki ba pau hang tu ngimtip kinu ki khasi kinu ki garo kinu ki ST kinu ki on reserve category but kani kapan long yangi ba kinmi shibun ki dak jingkeli hak jingmu jing perkhat jongi kumkin nurses jongka state ke ai ka jing temu jongka sarkar shalandet jongka ni bat ke ai ka jing le ka jongki yo kidon ai nan shalandet kata ka jing keli jongi bat bale bekim pen paulut katkum ka jing kular ha patu ka por bangile yakran ki director don por bangile yakran bat I Dr. Ampreen ki director ki don te ki napo di DHS ru ki don lut baro hang tu te kajing kular jongki kalong ba kinpen mi lut ya ka kerteng ka marks ba secure but roll number jongki candidates kat ba kajing yu ipat ka jongi menne kamlong kumta kipen mi kat ya ka baki kimon I kumbakat ya ka baki kimon arsian kipen mi uju roll number kai kajing temu jongki syai ki ja lut ki roll number kat nungut ki ba attend ya ka exam ngimtip kat nungut ki ba absent ngimtip kat nungut ki on reserve ngimtip kat nungut ki garo baki yo ngimtip kat nungut ki khasi jantia baki yo ngimtip ya kata taka jingkeli ka kami hangni ka lomba balik ka government ka le kumni hadin ba kila manjur hakatu ka meeting bagi don bagi Dr. Menzel Ampreen bakila manjur ban kin penmi hapo jung ka nyo ko arkanta balik ka result ka silam kumni plus nalor jong kata balik ka result kami kumni khalam dapat ba ki kerteng ya ki marks ba secure da ki candidates but balik ka result balik ba ki roll number baro kimi kata kade ke jingkeli jongi but ni dawar hina ka government bakin penmi ya ka result ka basyai kata ka balong na du roll number 1 hadu bakut jong roll number within Monday evening ni dawar ya ka government bakan penmi ya kata but nalor jong kata ngikwa hi bangin dawai ka government bakin penmi kat kum ka category wise kabalong kat numut ki karu kat numut ki khasi but kat numut ki on reserve but kat nu ki marks bangi secure ngikwa ban pe lakalong zero ngi kemen ha ka jingyo ka jongi tambah kidai ban pensyai shengi
mendapat hal iklan penmi te kan kliki post ki bangi apia dia katakan kalau pensyayong ini ki bat ko egani ki exam pemerintah kan long kam semua pun ladang ila ni nyam laru long kan dayo i rakhmat mo kita gi marks ko ba i health minister ila kulari ni ba ko nadin nang nismat in permi ki kateng ki marks ki ro na ba ko di mo ki ba pass ni ki ba fail long kalong halo katakan na marba imam ila kulari ko tang isu ni kwa kan ya katar bang kan long kum ta ko ba ikular kan mo dai kalong nisno siken bangino ipat komne step ya kan result kan kalau tak kalau kata hiba kamlang clear ka company ke kami kerja pemerintah